DAYI Heavy Forging Technology is a state-level high-tech enterprise integrating scientific research, development, production and trade of hydraulic press. Its products are widely used in aerospace, automobile manufacturing, new energy, shipbuilding, war industry, light industry, household, appliance and other fields. The free forging hydraulic press produced by DAYI Press realizes automatic upgrading of forging pressure, greatly improving production efficiency, and adopts a multi-stage pressure relief valve to quickly relieve pressure, improve the speed of pressure relief. As an expert in the field of metal forming, DAYI Press adheres to the concepts of first-class management, first-class technology, and first-class service, and is guided by market demand. It has won the support and trust of a large number of customers. Pursue excellence and continue to innovate. DAYI Press has cooperated with many universities, focusing on tapping innovative talents and achieving continuous leaps in scientific research and development. At the same time, DAYI Press has successively obtained international and domestic authoritative certifications for its reliable workmanship and quality.